So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to find the height of a binary tree. So first of all, let's see what is the height of a binary tree, and then we will see how to find it, and then we will see how to write the code for it. First of all, height of a binary tree. In this input example it is given that the height for this binary tree is 2. Okay, and for this example we can see that the height is 3. Basically height is the number of nodes between the root node and the farthest leaf node. Let's see with an example. So we have this given tree, and now we have to find the height of this tree. Okay, so height of this tree will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So the height will be 4 for this tree. How we have calculated? Height is the number of nodes between the root and the farthest leaf node. So it is 4 in this case. And let's see another example. For this also the height will be 4, because we will not consider 10 and 30, then in that case it will be 2, but we have to consider the height between the root and the furthest node, so which will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So height for this will also be equals to 4. So now we have to write a code that how can we find the height of this binary tree. So basically the logic behind this is, for every given node we will find the height for its left subtree and height for its right subtree, and what we will do is we will calculate the we will compare the maximum out of these two values and add 1 to it. So for example, for 20, suppose for this node, if we will try to, suppose let's take an example. If we have a given tree like this where it has only one node, that is the root node, so what will be the height for it? The height for it will be 1. So how we will calculate it? Since it does not have any left child, so it will return 0. It does not have any right child, it will return 0, and maximum of 0 and 0 is 0 only, and we will add 1 to the resultant answer, which will be 0 plus 1, that will be 1. So in this way we got the height as 1 for this. Similarly we will calculate the height for this given tree that we have. So let's try to find it out. So suppose for this 20, what we will get? 0 from the left, 0 from the right, as it does not have any childs, left and right child, and it will then further add 1 to the resultant answer. So maximum of 0 and 0, and it will add 1 to it, so it will return 1. Similarly for this 60, it will get 0, 0, and it will return what? 1. For this 40, it will get 0, 0, and it will return 1 to the upper. Now for this 50, it is having only, it is getting 1 from its right left child and 0 from its left child. So 1 and 0 will give 1, and it will add 1 to it, which will be 2. Similarly 30 will get 1 and 2, and the maximum of 1 and 2 is 2, so it will add 1 to 2 and will further return 3. Similarly 10 is getting 1 and 3, and so maximum of 1 and 3 is 3, so it will further return 4. 3 plus 1, 4. It will take maximum of 1 and 3 and will add 1 to it and will return 4. So in this way 10 will return 4. So we can see that we can write a recursive code for this to serve this purpose, so that we can find the height of a given tree. So let's take one more example before writing the function. So in this case for 50 it will get 0 and 0, and it will return 1, and for 40 it will get 1 and 0, so it will return 2, 1 plus 1. 20 will get 2 and 0, so maximum of 2 and 0 is 2, so it will add 1 to 2, so it will return 3, and 30 will get 0, 0, so it will return 1, and 3 and 1, out of 3 and 1 maximum is 3, so 10 will return 3 plus 1, 4. So the height for this case will be 4. So let's see how to write, what can be the function for this. So we will write a recursive function for it. So the base condition will be whenever our root is null, so in that case we have to return 0, because in that case we don't have any height. Otherwise in all the other cases what we are doing is we are taking the maximum of height of, we are recursively calling the function height of root of left and height of root of right. So amongst these two, whatever is the maximum value, we are just simply adding 1 to it. So every every node is adding simply 1 to it by taking the maximum of its left and right child and then adding 1 to it and returning it to the above node. So let's try this function by coding, and we can see. So you can see that what I have done is the given function is we are given a function height, and a node is given as parameter. So what we will do is we will write the base condition first, in which we are writing if node is equals to null, then we have to return 0. Otherwise, the else case in which we are returning maximum of height of, we are calling recursively height function on left node and right node. So maximum of height of node of left, height of node of right, and then we are simply adding 1 to the answer. So let's try submitting this code. So as you can see that there is some silly mistake. So you can see that the problem is solved successfully, and so yeah, this is how we can write the code for recursive code for height of a binary tree. Thank you.